well-spoken lady from Kerry. She's not afraid to take on anyone, especially the heavy hitters. Can I give it up, everyone, for Michelle Keane? Neighbours, people of Era, and the proud people of the People's Republic of Cork. A mother, an ordinary Irish woman just like you, stand here before you today, not in anger, but in unity, calling on every single one of you to rise for the common purpose. An Ireland free, an Ireland independent, an Ireland no longer ruled by Brussels or by this failed, cobbled together Call me a failed politician if it suits the headlines or the narrative. But I say this, please, let's save our country, Cork! I was jailed unlawfully for 4 days to Limerick prison a week before Christmas, a mother of two, by the Irish so-called Free State. While known criminals, rapists, paedophiles and murderers walk our streets freely and given a new identity, prisoner 125204. And why? Because I spoke out and told the truth. I told the truth. Because I dared to challenge them, the system. But they forgot one thing. They can jail me. They can even try and silence Michelle Keane. But they will never defeat the Irish people. Not as long as we refuse to bow. We do not bow to Micheál Martin, that traitor who called us mongrels. We do not bow to Simon Harris. We do not bow to the unelected bureaucrats in Europe, in Brussels. We do not answer to globalist suits in silence. Even voices in the dawn, like Michael Healy-Rae and his political elites, have all tried to silence Michael Healy-Rae and his elites. Let them jail me again. Let them jail me again. But I ask you, Cork, the rebel county, if they shut me up, will you rise up in my place? Will they shut you up? I can't hear you. Will they shut you up? I can't hear you. Will they shut you up? These are trying times, and right now, more than ever, our country needs one thing: unity! I focus on one horizon, an Ireland that is free, sovereign, and belongs to its Irish people! Not to the elites, not to the bankers or wankers of this country! To the coalitions made in back rooms with Micheál Martin and this cobbled-together Irish government! This country does not belong to these traitors, Micheál Martin and Simon Harris. It does not belong to the people inside Dáil and the insiders in Dublin. It belongs to you, the working people, and don't ever forget it, and don't ever let them silence you and think otherwise. Let us remember the people who bled for this land. Michael Collins, Tom Barry, Liam Lynch, Thomas McCurtain, Sean Moylan, Sean Egerty, Terence McSweeney, Dan Murphy, the blacksmith volunteer that came from Russia, and his brother John Coffey Murphy, Countess Markovich, Eamon a free republic. Now, folks, the Cork, Rebel County and the people of Era, it's our turn now. If it takes peaceful resistance to reclaim this nation, we will rise! We will rise! If it takes truth and courage, we will answer! Yes, we will answer! I saw it myself on election night as a presiding officer in Turin Cahill polling station tore out ballot papers right in front of me while a polling clerk looked idly on. And I this injustice in the High Courts in Ireland. To the men and the women of Ireland, I say, turn back now. It's not too late. Let us claim our republic for the people, by the people, and led by the people. Now here is a chance for our women. Take it as a compliment that your voices are rising louder, stronger, louder every day. They said our goals were too high. They said we were divided, but they were wrong. Some days are just days, but there are days like this one. A day history will remember. Because we refused to sit on the sidelines, because we stood up and said, not our country, not today. If we have the courage to fight, to change, to rise, then we must remember this. This Irish Republic was established by the Irish people, and it can only be disestablished by the Irish people. So I ask you, are you ready? Are you ready to stand up for your country? Because when ordinary Irish people stand together, we do extraordinary things. Go Míle Morgan, Chucky Arlaw!